Theophilus Anani, so open the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say a band equipment apapa, a chair for our quadri awadisium, any air conditioned room there, the band media law, advertising, camera handling, and the marketing there. And then I location no Abeka Free Park Junction. Fanamba ne boasio na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na memo bi nkasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati bi
Joe abusiafo ene adofono mema obibia akwaba sonko ede eba tuma GH so na abusiafo ene dey Captain Smart ede nsimbi ababetu edwa ede ama gospel artist achesene nsem no wode kokobo ensoso aka ho ede ama wo mo osusu se ehu be yin sese pan ede free September ekokosi December 2021 dey ahweye pan na wo mo enye den enye because there are so phobinum ewo wo mo altars so anase de wo mo acc ewo wo mo altars ase no de enya de se ebeboa wo mo enyum to no kwakwakwakwa eno ene kokoba chese wode ababetu edwa ede ama wo mo na ebusuafo wokan ya ede mentor abanti anedi ede eriko eho krampo ensem so ebebefa mu ebia wode etu edwa hu se abanti no chese ni dwumadi anase nenyum to na papa nanso so enam sa altars chese nyoma hyehyɛ se yi eso enam so ema enede wono sese yente nenka ebi nanso so nyankopom ebesan so apagya na nyankopom ebesan so ama ne su ebiemu na ansa na yebekɔ Captain Smart ensem no emu no na mekai mo ese ochade herbal center na eso yasem ema yedi dwumadi no ebebeso mo abre ene abrebia ochade ejima na jese yare biara aye kranko ete wuso bema gonorrhea syphilis oba candidiasis wa himfi wo enkan wo no enyenyenyenyen oba wo pa wo bema wo low sperm count wo the boss wa na jese ade no esania enisa na ebiemu ensuso no say diabetes how asthma te hyewa yare wo so ochade ejima na jese fane number wo screen no eso na ene no endi enkomo na wo yare no obetu ase deku ede amount na ebusiafo yetwa ensem no eso edia na Captain Smart echema pastors be asiesie enkraman anantwie enkra ene emwadoma agodo ewo womo platform no eso achese womo akaste spell of doom ede eguso womo ede ebebre gospel artist womo ewo soro no womo ase enunti no huni se ehu be yin ase senke be ye krampo na from September enkonkosi December pan ede anka womo ntwe womo every platforms womo koko gina so minister na so womo etunyum because enye bebia na wutimi ejina atunyum ewia wobetimi akofie as you came there be obu ohon ma wobekọ obe free wa bekọ drufin na je so won sra no ye drum no enesa wuja no ya bre na se enesa no de nsem etu edwan say na wakan no say some 9 pastors have gone for juju and will be using it in the month of September, October, November. All gospel artists should be careful where they perform. The one in Medina has buried a cat. Some have buried dogs, cows. Gospel musicians in Ghana do not have any power no NHS and someone wode etu edwa wochemu ese gospel musicians wo man mo ni tumi bia enti se be ya padia from November September October November ede ekone die wo mo entwentwen wo mo enioma ase eba no platform mkoko gina so ekasa na wode recordie mfato ho no to say na wo kan no say if you are a gospel musician between September, October, November, be careful the pulpit you stand to minister. Some pastors have buried dogs, others have sacrificed cats. There is one pastor in Medina who buried cats yesterday. I am saying this because there is a guy called Eriko, who was on Mental Show some time ago. Eriko don't ever tell yourself, Eriko, don't ever tell yourself that you won't shine again. Listen to me wherever you are listening. This guy will rise again. Mark it down. And his resurrection is bigger than his destruction. The pastor who did that to him is fair-colored. He wanted to destroy him completely, but Eriko will rise again. And no any a someone just what him to a ja eka a year and one which more say yeah so for binom address with me see so say so for bido Medina one of the just another wakra and we see a year on the pulpit I say and I say the altar I say I just say binum so see a year and then she and then in cramine de keka a year now wouldn't name the nipan why on the pulpit so ain't no sanke beya and gospel artist no one more entry chain one more enance and as one to a mobile say a quine and I say yeah one more echo jina the administration I say Eriko money and that and Jane dan I say money is to say want me answer bium or sorry na ne kasi ya na say ba wo be sorry no e be ye kasi mpo achen eye na hwe ase esan say so for no na just wo pen ni nguase so for no de na wo pen fombo na wo pen say de nka nya de sen kan di kurampo no ka ye beti eye ebiom na so so nyame de wo hira wo say for no o say wo kurampo na enye yie je say wo be ya wo be jai kwan na so be ma kwan say sa nyoma na enkoso na so be kwakọ wie eye asem na che say wo no a emu eno ena nanim egu eye asem na eye Captain Smart didn't say we to edwawie na dodo na kasem de bia Captain Smart ba ebebe level allegations e de efa enkofo dodo na ehun ena nipa sumesi ena mehu asofo say na no ada osia ne nkofo bi de mampanyi ko beni ena emu asofo miensa wom ena ebidi ena start free ena ebi so ka wo mode ko witimi ma registration number ne de keka ho edina enti say uhunu anase wunim se sa de we na ekoso dem ena adenti ena wonfa enko eye police station na wonfa enko to eye police for akache say na ekoso na mom eye radio so na TV so ena wo ba be make eye allegations no e de ato ho no so wo proof and wo evidence e won sama wo kan e dem enye TV so anase radio so ena wo ba be kan e be boa na mom kan fa enko eye police for akache na wo munye hwehwemu na ne da binom so wo ne say wo se won kan esan say se wan kan no kokko report to e police station keke na police for na gbokom no ne so for no link and so ne so for no mo wo connection bi wo be unu na enu anu katasu mu aso asem no kwa ye ntibiem enti later on obebe ka krampo na enya de so obi a ebe ye dem ebeje eye na di enuti no se wo be kana bonten a eye na emu ka wie nsusu am wonsa entu eye ehu anamo efofrom na ebusiafo mede mensem no esia enesa enu nti mo so wadwintre efa ensema eye Captain Smart ede ababetu edwande na nso so betimi aka ede afa eye ehu wadwintre no fabra ebebetu edwan e wotuma GH comment section like videos na share or all the social media platforms so na ebiom so follow yen e your IG page and your Twitter page so atuma GH_. Me di dwumadi yi eba ebebe somum media ene ekwia sikapa dasene yebesan edi ehia ebi makam